This video will show you exactly how you can go from doing 0 push-ups to sets of 10 with absolutely no problem at all. We'll discuss the different muscles being used in the push-up and show you a few great exercise variations to finally get those push-ups that you want. And by following all the tips in this video from beginning to the end, that is almost guaranteed.
To start out the video, let's take a look at which muscles the push-up actually works. The first muscle is your pectoralis major or your chest muscle. This simply helps to move your hands inward if you have them out to the side of your body. It's a very important muscle, but is also often very overworked and usually is very tight in individuals. So we will be using it quite a bit in this as well, but that's the first muscle. In addition to that, we can also use our anterior deltoid. This is fancy term for basically the front of your shoulder. As we can see in the video, the anterior deltoid actually just helps to raise your hands up overhead. So it's a really important muscle to have nice and strong, as it allows you to have good shoulder mobility when reaching upwards. And in addition to that, our triceps brachii, or our triceps muscle, is a super crucial muscle, although it does have a very small role, being that it extends your elbow. That's one of the main roles. So with those three muscles, we can actually combine them all to add into our first exercise, a wall push-up. So the reason the wall push-ups are such a great exercise is for a couple different reasons. The first one being that a lot of us have access to a wall someplace, either in our home or a place that we go to throughout the day. So it offers you the capability to practice basically wherever. In addition to this, we can make this a little bit more difficult by moving our feet slightly back when doing the normal wall push-up. This will increase the overall pressure on your body. It'll kind of make gravity be pushing more down on you. Try to do this for 3 sets of 10 repetitions, getting nice and strong with those muscles we just talked about before moving on to stair push-ups. Now, stair push-ups are equally very similar in the muscles that we're working, but you're essentially going to put your hands down in front of a set of stairs in front of you. Make sure those stairs are nice and sturdy before actually going on and doing them. And then you're going to move your feet a little bit back from the outside of the stairs. And then of course after that, you're just going to gently lower your chest down, touching your chest to the stairs, and then pushing yourself all the way back up. This will be a little bit tougher, so still work for 3 sets of 10 repetitions, of course, getting nice and strong at that level before moving on to another variation, which could be rack push-ups. This is something that is very, very easy to set up at a gym. So if you do have membership to a gym and you want to get your push-ups stronger, I'd highly recommend checking out a rack. And basically you're going to set the rack with a bar in it to a height that you can do 3 sets of 10, slowly lower it down as shown in the video. And then of course, once you get strong at that level, you can lower it down even further. And this is really great because you can constantly progress it and really take a note of what level your overall strength is when you are doing this movement. So still work in that 3 sets of 10 repetition range before moving down to the floor for our knee push-ups. Now, knee push-ups are really, really close to that full push-up we're trying to go towards. When you're doing this, really make sure to keep your core and your midline nice and tight. That's going to be one of the big things. You can kind of cheat this by pushing your butt back up in the position, and we really don't want that, but we do want to be doing 3 sets of 10 repetitions, getting nice and strong. And if you did want to get a yoga mat for yourself, I'm going to put the product link in the description so you don't bang your knees up. But of course, once you get to the point where you're strong enough, you can move off your knees to our full push-ups. Key points for this one are trying to straighten your arms as much as you can at the top, keeping your core and midline nice and tight before trying our bonus exercise. So to add on to those great exercises, you can also do some dumbbell press. This is an exercise that targets all the muscles we were talking about in the beginning of the video, but it's a little bit easier and just gives a little bit of an assistance exercise that you can do to try to get your push-up even better than before. I greatly appreciate you checking out this video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos helping you in the gym and be healthier in life. Otherwise, you can check out this other video here that's going to give you a few great ideas to massage those tight muscles from all the push-ups you are going to be doing. Good luck, everyone.
tell me you know